Hey, what's up, unboxing friends and family? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another big box from Schenectady, New York, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. After you're done watching this video, please subscribe, share my video, check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. I love talking about action figures. What's your favorite in your collection? Just using a knife and trying to be safe with it. Hope you can respect that. Got some cool bubble wrap. Alright, first up, the late great George the Animal Steel. And there is legit fur. Also in this line was Big John Studd, Mankind, Ric Flair, Sergeant Slaughter, and Dude Love. Very, very cool. From Jakks specific. There's legit hair on here. Wow. Legit. Next up, we've got from Decade of Dominance, we've got Mark Henry from Mattell. Also in this line was Randy Orton, John Cena, Undertaker, and Natalya. After that, we've got from the Elite Collection Series 8, Mr. Wonderful Paul Orndorff. Also in this line was Ultimate Warrior, Eddie Guerrero, and Jake the Snake Roberts. Very, very cool. Next up, this is from the SummerSlam line, Elite Series 86, Sid Justice. Also in this line was The Fiend Bray Wyatt, Triple H, The Miz, Carmella, and Seth Rollins. Next up, from Series 81 Elite, we've got Stunning Steve Austin. Hollywood Blonde time. Also in this line was The Rock, Shinsuke Nakamura, Angelo Dawkins, Montez Ford, and Bianca Belair. Very, very cool. Next up, from Elite Series 8, Jake the Snake Roberts. It's crazy, like, they make his stomach look really thin and they got Stone Cold's like a beer belly. Next up, an Elite from WrestleMania line. This is the first time in the line Build-A-Figure with Paul Ellering with Rocco. Goldberg. Also in this line was Shawn Michaels, Edge, and China. So this has Paul Ellering's head. And next up, we've got Eddie Guerrero from Series 8. WWE Legends. It's awesome. Very, very good. Last but certainly not least, late great Bobby the Brain Heenan with the Weasel suit, right? Razor Ramon and Greg the Hammer Valentine were also in this line. As always, thanks again for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. What's your favorite one in your collection? Cash at me at London Hawthorne if you'd like. I wish you the best. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching.